Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's enter phone ringtone. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, at the bottom, you can tap on this option, Add Ringtone, and enter your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to set it as a ringtone. And at the top, we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call after choosing this option. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this option to be set, so make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.